Welcome to GVS Square Healthy Lifestyle, where we're exploring key elements of a healthy lifestyle, especially tailored for students. This video is a continuation of Episode 1, Tips to Prioritize Sleep as a Student. If you haven't seen the previous episode, make sure to check it out first to learn the basics of how sleep can boost your focus, energy, and academic performance. In this episode, we're diving deeper into actionable strategies to help you get that much-needed rest, even with a busy student schedule. Let's continue on our journey to better health and a more balanced lifestyle. 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. A regular schedule helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities like reading a book, meditating, or taking a warm shower before bed. This helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down. 3. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Try to turn off electronic devices at least 30 minutes before bedtime. 4. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals in the evening. Consuming caffeine or heavy meals late in the day can disrupt your sleep. Opt for a light snack if you're hungry before bed. 5. Make your sleeping environment comfortable. Keep your room cool, quiet, and dark. Investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows can also make a big difference. 6. Try mindfulness or deep breathing exercises. If you struggle to fall asleep due to stress, practice deep breathing or mindfulness exercises to calm your mind and prepare for rest. Stay tuned for continuation of Episode 1, where we'll discuss quick sleep myths, get the facts. Remember, a healthy lifestyle starts with small, consistent changes, and prioritizing sleep is one of the best first steps you can take. Have questions or tips of your own? Share them below. Let's help each other stay healthy and happy.